Hi, welcome to my channel, Travel Fam TV. My name is Mary. In this video, I will show you our 3 days in Madrid, including our apartment tour, Retiro Park, and Plaza Mayor. If you want to see more of my videos about travel, travel reviews, saving on travel, family fun, and more, click on the subscribe button below.
So tonight was the highlight of our trip, the last night of our leg of the journey here in Madrid. We're at La Taberna de los Lucio, which is a sister restaurant to the original place we wanted to go, which was Casa Lucio, but there was no room there, so they sent us to their sister place, which was spot on. One of my objectives was for Guapa to experience the nightlife here in Spain with the eating and the people and the noise and the energy here. It was really well done. Very logrado.
We just had oxtail and asparagus and croquetas. It was very yummy, and it was our last night in Madrid, and it is like 11:04 at night, and it's busy. There's lots of people out. It was the best meal of Madrid, and we are leaving tomorrow to go to Zaragoza on